Right, 67 Kilo Ski. A lot of smoke there coming from the right side of the aircraft. Do you have a technical issue there?
No, we don't have any issue right now.
Yeah, it looks like you may have burst a TYRE. Burst a TYRE.
Short 6 November Lima, established straight left.
Short 6 November Lima, thank you, continue.
Continue, short 6 November Lima. Can you send somebody to have a look? Please run a 6 Kilo into left here.
We'll get that done, Vietnam. Yeah, Ryanair 200 Romeo, the previous aircraft may burst a TYRE somewhere between Sierra 2 and Sierra 4. You happy to continue with your landing?
We're happy to go around Ryanair 200 Romeo.
Okay, Ryanair 200 Romeo, go around, so runway 28. Left.
Go around runway 28 left, Ryanair 200 Romeo.
Mark 6 November Lima, hello to you. Okay, there's Ryanair just landed about 45 seconds ago, may have burst a TYRE somewhere between Sierra 2 and Sierra 4. Ryanair, the head of you has gone around reference that traffic. You have to continue approach and landing, or do you want a missed approach?
Yeah, we'll continue for now, short 6 November Lima, both we'll expect to go around.
Okay, so report, that's fine. So I haven't gone inspection done just yet, so you can have a look at the aircraft, but I'll keep you updated.
Roger.
Rescue 19?
Go ahead, Dar.
Okay, yeah, do you want to, okay, there's traffic at 4 miles. Do you want to proceed now? Could you go through from there? Do you need to go to Sierra 4 or Sierra 3?
I can go wherever you like.
Okay, if you go down to Sierra 2, please, and wait at Sierra 2.
Go to Sierra 2 and wait Sierra 2.
Aircraft may have burst a TYRE on landing, so the runway is just temporarily unavailable to us. So we're just going to hold you as a precaution once we get the runway inspected. Shouldn't be too long.
Okay, thanks. Then at Sierra 5.
Good speed here, enter Sierra 2 and vacate Sierra 5. Rescue 19.
Rescue 19, vacate Sierra 5, runway clear?
Vacate Sierra 5, runway is clear of any debris. Rescue 19.
Shamrock 6 November Lima, the wind check 240, please 15, max of 25, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Clear to land straight left, copy the runway clear, Shamrock 6 November Lima, thank you.
That's a vacated Sierra 6, please.
Welcome.
Now Rescue 1, can you have a look at the aircraft there that's on Sierra 5? I think it looks on the right hand side, the TYRE seemed to burst there.
Any firm, TYRE on the right hand side as well.
Copy, thank you, and
Shamrock 93 Tango, turn right onto heading of 100, 100.
Right, heading 100, 100, Shamrock 93 Tango.
And it'll be inspectors just for a right turn back onto the approach. We have clearance now to resume approaches. Thank you.
That's great, thank you very much, Shamrock 93 Tango.
now Rescue 19.
Go ahead.
Okay, just to keep you informed, any other TYRES, do you look okay on the aircraft? Just the one on the right, is it?
Just let me get a little closer check.
Okay.
Okay, firm, it's just the right hand TYRE first, but the next TYRE is taking a lot of the pressure. Vehicles are on the way.
Okay, Ryanair 67 kilos, did you copy that?
Yeah, we copied that. We're happy to continue taxi on 6 and service.
Okay, have a taxi though. That's fine. So you can taxi at your own speed and vacate. Continue on Sierra, then Whiskey 2.
Taxi on Sierra with run 6 and service.
Shamrock 6 November Lima, what's the reason for the go around?
I just want stabilizing the start, a little bit of wind shear, Shamrock 6 November Lima.
That's great, thank you. 120.755.
20755, Shamrock 6 November Lima. Right now, 6 and 0 Whiskey, there is car ahead of us to the follow him.
Okay, just hold there and see what they're doing with the vehicles.
Hold the distance, right now, 6 and 0.
Contact ground, please, now 121 decimal 8, and they'll sort out a plan for you.
118, right now, 6 and 0.
Hey,
Ryanair 67 Kilo Whiskey, you with me?
Right now, 6 and 0.
Yeah, the rescue vehicle behind says there's still some smoke coming off the back there, so he doesn't recommend you taxi under your own steam. There's a few fire trucks just coming out to you now.
The undercarriage there, can you ask Ryanair to shut down his engines, please? Shut down his engines, over.
Ryanair 67 Kilo Whiskey, copy, shut down engines?
Yeah, we copied right now, 6 and 0. We're waiting for you to you.
Okay, understood. Rescue 23, copy.
Sorry, ground rescue 23, can you repeat that again?
Yeah, the Ryanair's just advising needs a few minutes to shut down the engines and the APU.
Roger, okay, copy that.